Hey there everyone, I want to show you how you can create an account for Delta Math. So if you go up to your web browser and type in www.deltamath.com, it will take you to this screen here. You're going to come up here to the right where it says create account. You're going to click student, and then it's going to ask you for a teacher access code. 666121 is my teacher access code. At that point, you'll see my name, Mr. Pardun. Select the period. Please make sure you select the correct period. Fill in all the information for your email. I want you to use your VHHS Cougars email account. Make a password that you are familiar with. Write down that password somewhere so you don't forget it, because I don't have access to that password, and then click create an account and you are in.